Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the marginal productivity theory of wages. There are two explanations of this theory: the traditional or new classical approach and modern approach. Traditional explanation: according to the traditional explanation of the theory, the price of labor is determined by its marginal product. The demand for labor is derived demand and it is derived from the demand for finished goods and services which labor helps to produce. The derived nature of demand implies that the strength of the demand for labor depends upon the capability of the workers in producing a goods. Second, value of goods produced by them. In other words, the demand for labor depends upon its productivity and the market prices of the goods when it is producing. What is the labor productivity? Productivity is a measure of the rate at which output flows from the use of given units of labor. Marginal productivity of labor is the change in the output which results from changing the quantity of labor by one unit. The marginal productivity of wages is a theory based on the idea that the demand for labor is determined by its marginal productivity and that wage of labor will be equal to the value of its marginal product. It pays a firm to increase the amount of labor it employs util the extra revenue gained by employing one more unit of labor is just equal to its price in wages. The marginal product of labor is expressed in terms of physical unit of output, often called marginal physical product (MPP). If MPP is multiplied by the marginal revenue (MR) of the product when it is sold, and we get the marginal revenue product MRP. Thus, MRP is equal to MPP into MR by multiplying MPP by the price in PRAR, the value of marginal product PMP is derived. Thus, VMP is equal to MPP into P. In perfect completion, price equals marginal revenue. So, MRP is equal to VMP. In imperfect completion, price does not equal marginal revenue. So, MRP is not equal to a VMP. MPP is subject to the law of diminishing return. It means that it declines when the more units of labor are employed by a firm. What is labor productivity? Productivity. Labor productivity से ऐसे है कि productivity is a measure of the rate at which output flows from the use of given units of labor. Productivity से ऐसे ये है कि जहाँ तक कि पर लेबर आउटपुट में कितना परिवर्तन हो रहा है. Marginal productivity of labor is a change in output यानी सीमांत उत्पादकता किसी लेबर की यानी उत्पादन में जो परिवर्तन होता है which result from changing the quantity of labor by one unit, जो कि एक लेबर के परिवर्तन होने की वजह से होता है. The marginal productivity of wages is a theory based on the idea that the demand for labor is determined by its marginal productivity and that wage of labor will be equal to the value of its marginal product और उसकी वैल्यू जो है मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट की बराबर होती है. It pays the firm the amount of labor it employs util the extra revenue gained by the employing one more unit of labor, just equal to its price. The MPV curve of the labor is its demand curve. The basic principle of this theory is that firm should equate the additional cost of buying another unit of labor, that is marginal cost MC, with the additional revenue earned by the selling the output of that unit, that is the MRP. A perfect competitive firm is a price taker in the product as well as a factor market. It means that it can sell all that it produces without lowering price, and it can employ any quantity of labor at the given wage, that is without increasing the wage rate. So the given wage rate is also the constant marginal cost MC and average cost AC of labor for the firm. Now